Hi guys, welcome to this video. My name is Razak from fastnow.com. I am the founder and CEO. And in today's video, I want to discuss with you some basic things that most entrepreneurs are doing, which is a mistake to them, but they don't know. But some of them think that they are smart and they want to outsmart other entrepreneurs. And it is what I want to bring to your notice today. Maybe you are also doing the same things. If you are doing, do not do again, because this is very dangerous for you in your entrepreneurship. First of all, most entrepreneurs nowadays, they do not want win-win in the interaction of business. In the entrepreneurship, they do not want win-win. So the people they are dealing business with, they do not want them to win, while the third party which the entrepreneur is doing business with does not want the entrepreneur to get a win-win gain from them. So one person wants to gain more from other person, while the other person wants to gain more from other person. In fact, they do not want the other person to gain as much as they gain. In entrepreneurship, this one is not possible and it's not good. Anything you are doing, make sure it is win-win. Do not be a hard entrepreneur. If you are negotiating, make sure that your negotiation is win-win. What you are going to provide in the end must provide value for other people. If you are selling products or services, make sure that your services or product is going to get a client what he has paid for. Do not promise what you don't deliver or do not sell. Okay, and what I want to tell you in this video today now is most entrepreneurs or startups, they think that anything is expensive. If they want to buy something that they can use for their business, they say, wow, it is expensive, I can't afford it. Let me discuss with my spouse, let me talk with my investors. All those things should not be asked by you as an entrepreneur. What you should ask is, okay, the price of this thing is way more than I thought. Okay, if I buy it now, if I consider to buy it now, how will it help my business? How will it help my team? How can it make me spend less time to do something faster in my business? This is what you should ask as an entrepreneur, because anything in business is win-win, like I said earlier. If you people agree to provide a win-win value, then what each one of you should sell to other must be an important thing. Okay, make sure that you have a win-win value first in the first place before you start bringing the price of your product or services to the third party. But what most entrepreneurs do nowadays is, I was being scammed, someone scammed me, bought product from them, and the description of the product is much more better than what I am presently facing with the product now. So when I was about to buy their services, they promised me this and that, and now that I have bought it, they do not deliver what they had promised. So this one is a scam. It is a scam, and what that brought that scam is what I want to let you know today. Because in the first place, I said that you must agree on a win-win gain in the interaction of business, whether negotiating or presenting the values of product or services to the other person. What customers or clients do is they complain, I don't have money, I don't have budget. Then entrepreneur will then say, this product will give you this value, will give you this thing, will give you this benefit. So it's good for you to buy. It will help you make more money. It will help you save more times while getting things done in your business. You'll be able to do much more tasks with less employees, with less team. So clients or customers, they buy, and at the end of the day, they'll say that I am being scammed. No, you are not scammed, because you were the one who was trying to scam the entrepreneur in the first place before you did not do it quickly. Are you learning? Okay, so what you should do is Once the entrepreneur presents the products or services to you within the price, what you should ask is, what value can it provide me? Do not ask for the price and the shouting the price is too much, I can't afford it. If you say that one, you are exposing your leg to the trap of scam. They can scam you because if they collect your money with the amount you are saying that you have, then at the end of the day, they will not give you values up to that amount that you paid for. So this is what I want to let you know in this video today. I hope you have learned something in this video. So if you know that it has helped you, please comment and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. My name is Abdrazak from fasterknowhow.com.